If you're ready to embrace off-grid power, you'll need the right gear to get started. In this guide, we'll reveal the best solar panel kit with battery and inverter, offering reliable, efficient energy solutions for homes, cabins, and RVs. Number 1. YEF Portable Power Station. The YEF Portable Power Station stands out as a versatile and impressively fast-charging power solution for both home and outdoor use. One of its most notable features is its 7x faster charging capability, achieving 0 to 80% in just 50 minutes and a full 0 to 100% in 80 minutes when connected to an AC wall outlet. This makes it ideal for emergency home backup power scenarios, or when you need a quick top-up before heading out on a trip. Beyond its charging speed, this unit offers expandable capacity from 1 kilowatt-hour up to 3 kilowatt-hours by adding extra batteries, catering to users who require more energy for extended camping trips, RV life, or off-grid living. The YEF Portable Power Station is also surprisingly powerful, delivering an 1800 W output, comparable to traditional outdoor gas generators, but without the noise, fumes, or maintenance hassle. With 15 output options, including AC outlets, USB ports, and DC sockets, it can power up to 90% of household appliances, making it a reliable companion for everything from mini fridges and blenders to power tools and lighting setups. On the sustainability front, it supports up to 500 W of solar panel input, transforming it into an efficient solar generator while you're outdoors or off-grid. The incorporation of advanced LFP, LiFePO4, battery chemistry ensures remarkable durability, offering a lifespan of over 3,000 cycles. This means it can serve reliably for years without noticeable degradation in performance. The built-in battery management system, BMS, adds an extra layer of safety, automatically regulating the battery's status to protect against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. Number 2. Marberoo 88.8 WH Solar Generator. The Marberoo 88.8 WH solar generator is an excellent, compact solution for those in need of a lightweight and efficient portable power kit. This product shines for its well-thought-out combination of the Marberoo M82 power station and a 21W foldable solar panel, which works seamlessly together to provide continuous, sustainable power when you're away from home. Whether you're tent camping, on a road trip, or in an emergency situation, this pairing offers both daytime charging via solar and dependable overnight power from its built-in battery. With 88.8 WH capacity, it may not power larger appliances, but it's perfectly capable of keeping essentials like phones, cameras, LED lanterns, and small fans running smoothly. What makes it even more reliable is its ability to offer complementary backup power, charging devices during the day with solar and reserving stored energy for use when sunlight is unavailable, like stormy evenings or remote overnight stays. The Marberoo solar generator also acts as an efficient backup during home power outages, capable of keeping your communication devices and small electronics functional, ensuring you never lose connection during crucial moments. The environmentally conscious will appreciate its reliance on clean, renewable solar energy with almost zero emissions, providing a green and sustainable power option for outdoor living and emergency preparedness. Included in the kit are the compact, foldable solar panel and the lightweight power station. Number 3. Eco 200 watts 12 volt/24 volt solar panel kit. The Eco 200 watts 12 volt/24 volt solar panel kit presents a versatile and efficient energy solution for a wide range of applications, from RVs and campers to sheds and tiny homes. Delivering an impressive daily output of around 800 WH under 4 hours of full sunshine, this kit is ideal for users seeking dependable, renewable energy while off-grid or as a backup power source. The panels themselves feature high-performance monocrystalline solar cells capable of achieving up to 21.5% efficiency under optimal conditions. Measuring a manageable 35.2 by 23.1 inches, the panels balance performance with portability, fitting neatly onto RV roofs, trailers, or backyard setups. Durability is another key highlight of this kit, as its corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy frame ensures longevity, even in harsh outdoor environments. Engineered to withstand wind loads up to 2,400 pascals and snow loads up to 5,400 pascals, these panels are built for years of reliable service. The IP65 rated junction box provides comprehensive protection against dust and water, allowing them to perform consistently in varied climates. Installation is straightforward thanks to the pre-drilled holes on the back of the panels and the plug-and-play cable connections. Number 4. Solar-Powered Generator 200W Peak. The Solar-Powered Generator 200W Peak is a compact, all-in-one portable power solution that truly impresses with its versatility and reliability, especially for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. This solar-powered generator comes bundled with a 40W high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panel, delivering a 20.5% conversion rate that performs surprisingly well, even under less-than-ideal light conditions. What makes this kit stand out is its wide compatibility. With 10 DC connectors included, it works seamlessly with most portable solar generators on the market. At the heart of the kit is a 146WH/39600 mAh capacity portable power station. Despite its impressive capacity, it weighs only 3.3 pounds, making it one of the most lightweight and travel-friendly options available. You can easily fit it in a backpack or suitcase, making it a convenient power companion for camping trips, road adventures, hurricane preparation, or even just for use around the house when the power flickers out. Functionally, this solar generator is thoughtfully designed with 7 output ports to handle a range of devices. It features 2x110 VAC outlets capable of handling appliances within 100W and up to 200W peak, along with multiple USB ports, including USB Quick Charge 3.0. Number 5. Daran Solar Generator Portable Power Station. The Daran Solar Generator Portable Power Station is a well-rounded, reliable energy solution for those seeking a balance of power, portability, and safety. Equipped with a 204.8 Wh lithium-ion battery pack, equivalent to an impressive 64,000 mAh, this generator delivers a clean, stable power supply suitable for a variety of scenarios, from camping and tailgating to backup home use. What makes this unit particularly appealing is its commitment to safety, featuring a built-in BMS, battery management system, that actively manages temperature control and charging functions. Its lithium iron phosphate, LiFePO4, batteries provide excellent longevity and stability, known for resisting thermal runaway reactions while offering a longer cycle life than conventional batteries. This makes the Daran solar generator a dependable choice for years of regular use. The accompanying solar panel offers an outstanding 25% conversion rate, ensuring efficient energy harvesting even in low-light conditions. An integrated MPPT controller enhances performance by optimizing solar input, fully charging the generator from 0 to 100% in around 8 hours, which is impressive for its class. On the power delivery side, this solar generator offers an adaptable 300W output with a surge capacity of 600W. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.